Hey guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here for this recipe. Today we're going to be making rich, creamy, smooth chocolate mousse, and it's dairy-free. We're going to be using canned coconut cream. You will need to put this in the refrigerator 24 hours before you make the recipe. The cream will rise to the top, and that's what we're going to use to make our mousse. We're also going to be using cacao powder, which is a healthier option than regular cocoa powder, and we're using raw turbinado sugar, also a healthier option. So it almost borders on being a healthy dessert, healthy-ish. It's simple and it's so good. You're going to want to make this. Check it out. Hey guys, it's Sue. I just lost my mic. Fell down my pants. Uh-oh.